Let's say you got into a major pothole, big sucker like this. Are you out of luck, or are you stuck paying your medical bills and for your car repair? I'm attorney Ted Sink at TedLaw firm. And if you run into something like that, I have some tips for you. We've helped hundreds of clients recover millions of dollars. And what happens in cases like this is that it may seem like there's no one to sue or no one to get the money from to repair your car or pay for lost wages and medical bills. But there's often two different ways you can get paid. The first is to figure out the SCDOT in South Carolina, or the Georgia Department of Transportation, that might be responsible, or if it's a neighborhood association, they might potentially be responsible for it, or the private contractors involved in it. In some cases, you can show that they knew or should have known that something like this is just dangerous and can cause problems. That can make them negligent. There's a lot of ways to get into that, and boy, those cases can be complicated, so get a lawyer if you go that route. The other way is that there can be something called uninsured or underinsured motorist protection, which in some cases, if someone else is at fault and you can't find them, for example, if someone deliberately dug one of these holes or something like that, that can sometimes come into play. That's something worth knowing, but these cases are very difficult and can run into things like Tort Claims Act caps. So there might be a maximum amount or something like that. But if you run into something like this, or I've had people call me after falling off 2-foot drops into nowhere, then give us a call. Attorney Ted Sink at TedLaw firm, 888-333-5555. That's 8 3s 5s, and we're happy to help you, talk you through it.